Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make a thumbnail only using one app called Fonto. First, I need to take away what I've done. We're going to be remaking this today. So first, what you're going to want to do is you're going to click plain image, or you can make an image whatever you want. And what I'm going to use is the plain white one. You can use whatever you want. And what I'm going to be doing is changing it to 1280 on the first one, and then 720 to the second one, because that's the average length for a YouTube video. Otherwise it's going to be cropped. Now you can add your colors to it, whatever you want to do really. And all you have to do is click the boxes and choose your colors. So since I am not really good with mixing colors, I'm just going to be using the prettiest colors that I think are there. And I don't like that black, so we're going to change that into yellow, but we're going to switch it around. Then you are going to want to click use, and then you're going to click anywhere on the screen to go to fonts. Then what you're going to do is you're going to go to any font that you want, and then choose whatever you want to say on it. What I'm going to be doing is, I couldn't find what I was going to use to write my fonts, so here's me just going through a hard time. And once I finally found it, then I was ready to continue. See, I was getting kind of slower at this until I found what I was going to write with. Then I'm going to write what I want to write on it. And then what I'm going to do is, if I want a different font, I'm going to go over many times with a different font, so that I can have a more prettier thumbnail for this video. But I'm going to be using a different thumbnail for this video because this is just an example thumbnail. So then I'm going to put whatever I want on it, whatever fonts I want on it, and make a thumbnail. Going to do is save it, and then I'm going to go over to YouTube Studio. That is for everything that you want to record. You go into there and you edit your thumbnail for it, or you can do whatever you want. And so what I did, I didn't really have the time to do this right now because this is the video for it, so it isn't up there right now. But I'm going to be changing that one up there that says my first video to a better thumbnail. And how you can do that is you just click it, and then you see edit thumbnail, you click that. And then what I have to do is I have to go onto there, onto YouTube. Go onto YouTube and then make my video, save it to drafts, do a thumbnail, and then post it.